I just got attacked? But no, this guy was like running.
Oh, Paris. It's not like I've had miniature statues of La Tour Eiffel around my room for years or anything. You're one of the places that I used to dream of visiting in the future. You know, once I could afford to become a dog lady and live by the beach. Or I could become a bird lady. You know what? I haven't really decided on that yet, so I'll let you know when I find out. Anyways, so when I finally had the privilege of visiting you way before then, it was more or less a dream come true.
C'est musée?
You were everything that I imagined you would be. Well, maybe a little overrated, but don't tell the Parisians because they might punch me in the face.
Honestly, guys, it's pretty like surreal that we're here right now because I've been dreaming about coming to Paris ever since I was like 5. So the fact that I'm here and now I'm just kind of like shooketh. I'm shooketh.
Nonetheless, it was a magical moment, and I will forever cherish our first enchanting and rainy encounter. All I know is ooh, we could go anywhere, we could do anything, or whatever the mood we're in. Yeah, all I know is ooh, getting lost in the night and the stars, finding love in wherever we are. Your lips, they pull me in the moment. You and I alone, and people, baby, watching. I don't mind, 'cause anywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris in the rain.
It just started raining and we're wet.
We
But
don't
it's
need
fine
a
'cause we're
fancy
from
town
Seattle.
from bottles that we can't pronounce.
You made me
'Cause anywhere, babe, it's like Paris in the rain.
When I'm with you.
When I'm with you, when I'm with you, Paris in the rain, Paris in the rain. I look at you now and I want this forever. I might not deserve it, but there's nothing better. Don't know how I ever did it all without you. My heart is about to jump out of my chest. Feelings they come, they go, that they do. Feelings they come, they go. Now with you, the late nights and street lights. Girl like me, girl, and the whole world can stop. Anywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris in the rain. Paris in the rain.
It's really outfit to feel for them. It's beautiful.
Bottles that we can't pronounce.
Holy crap.
Anywhere, babe, it's like Paris in the rain.
This is pretty surreal. So you got the avenue, the Champs-Élysées là.
Paris in the rain. Paris in the rain. Girl, when I'm not with you, all I do is miss you.
Hey Mel, how are you feeling?
Wonderful.
So Mel and I went through the whole metro system today because
And a half.
and a half. What's the half?
A metro system and a half.
Yeah, because we got lost, or we took the wrong train the wrong direction. So trying to go back to Versailles,
We
where
love
my
that.
grandma's friend lives, so that we can go out with her son and their friends tonight. So yeah, we haven't eaten for like 9 hours.
Literally.
Our last meal was at like 12 and it's currently 9 o'clock, so I want food. First rainfall of the season.
Right here.
Yeah, the train is terminated, so we have to get on a bus. Is it this one? I don't know where I'm going. I think it's this one.
Chờ mai đi con.
Do you wait for
Anh
no
sẽ
one?
lăn lẹ đi rồi đi.
Yeah.
Cho từ nhỏ nó đợi.
Dinner time.
Là, c'est bien?
Ouais,
Ok.
On est arrivé? Louis XIV.
Tu vois, man, très ça, il y a du monde.
Ireland King. Did I tell you I wrote a song about Louis XIV? What? Hold on.
Paris in the rain, walking on an empty street, puddles underneath our feet.
En dessous.
Ouais.
Mais en France, là, il n'y en a pas.
Alors,
lire
il pisse,
l'histoire, il
il
faut
pisse
lire
par terre et les gens vont venir le
Ouais, voilà.
nettoyer.
Et vous y êtes seulement dedans, hein, vous n'avez pas le temps d'aller dans le jardin. C'est dommage.
Non, c'était froid.
Dans
un
le
peu.
jardin, ouais. Il y a bleu aussi.
Ouais. On peut le voir dans. The macarons. I can't open it. Bella and I are back in our Blabla car and we're about to watch Pride and Prejudice on our phone and eat macarons. Wow, check out that water. Hey, check me out, I'm a merman.